Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a slider in Figma. We'll start by creating the basic visual elements. First, draw a long, thin rectangle to serve as your slider track. Next, add a small circle or another rectangle to act as the slider's thumb. Make sure these two shapes are distinct. Group these elements together, perhaps naming the group slider base. This initial setup is crucial for building a functional and visually appealing slider component in your designs. Now let's make our slider interactive. Select your grouped slider elements and turn them into a component. This is a powerful feature in Figma. Then, create several variants of this component. For each variant, carefully adjust the position of the slider's thumb along the track. You might create variants for 0%, 50%, and 100%. Naming your variants clearly, like state equals 0 or value equals 50, will help immensely with organization and prototyping later on. With your variants ready, it's time to bring the slider to life through prototyping. In prototype mode, connect your variants. Drag a connection from the thumb of one variant to another. Set the interaction trigger to on drag and the animation to smart animate. This ensures a smooth, fluid transition as the user interacts. Define the horizontal movement for the thumb, allowing it to slide along the track. Test your slider in the prototype view to see it in action and refine as needed. To take your slider further, consider using variables to control its values dynamically. This allows for more complex and data-driven interactions. You can also implement conditional logic to trigger different actions based on the slider's position. Always keep accessibility in mind, ensuring your slider is usable for everyone. Finally, remember that once created, your slider component can be easily reused across multiple frames and projects, saving you valuable design time and maintaining consistency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.